What's up, everyone? This is Henry, and thanks for tuning in. Before we get into this rant, I want to take the time to say that my heart goes out to all these innocent kids that was gunned down by a piece of shit psychopath, and also the two teachers, as you see here. And also, I want to do a 21-second moment of silence. So we're gonna start right now. Okay. All right. Just a disclaimer: if you guys have any kids, this is not the video for them to be watching, because I'm going to buy emotions and I'm also going by facts. All right. First off, before I get into it, if you guys are new, make sure you smack that like button. Also subscribe, comment below and everything. And we're gonna get into this rant because I can already feel my heart starting to raise, because I'm gonna get pissed off. I wanted to wait a few days, guys, for obvious reasons. The news is pumping this out, and these politicians are trying to do stuff with guns, and I'll talk about that, guys. But guys, I want to talk about the stuff that's gonna piss me off the most, which is this: the fucking cops. This why I'm not no bootlicker. This why I don't lick the cops' boots. They're not going to protect you, and this is a prime example right here. It was 40 of these motherfuckers, okay? 40 fucking cops. Not one came in there. They waited almost a whole hour to go inside to stop the shooter from massacring these innocent kids. They're cowards. A whole motherfucking hour. And the worst thing is that the parents was trying to go in there themselves to stop the shooter. The cops wasn't letting that happen. They was tasing the parents, macing the parents, just basically fucking them over, not doing nothing, while the gunshots was being heard from inside the school, while the kids was sitting there getting slaughtered. The cops, pieces of shit, and they all should be fucking fired and prosecuted. That's just my opinion when it comes to that. Oh my gosh, guys. It's crazy, man. It's a crazy world that we live in. If I had any kids, my kids would not be in public schools for obvious reasons. I think schools need to be armed with security guards like this. Let me show you guys. Like this guy, he's an armed security guard that protects the school. He's a vet, as you see in the post and whatnot. And yeah, I look at comments, and you see comments like, let me look for it, about banning assault weapons and shit like that. People are just morons. Banning guns, gun control don't work in general. Banning guns, it's not going to solve anything. It's just going to affect the law-abiding citizens. The good guy with a gun, they're going to take that away from the good guy, while the psychopaths and criminals run rampant in the country. None of this is going to happen. I'm pretty sure I'm preaching to the choir, but for you people who don't like guns, I'm talking to you. You don't have to like guns. It's alright to have a gun. If you don't want one, so be it. If you think that the police is going to protect you, if God forbid something happens to you, you got another thing coming. This right here, that's proof in the pudding that the police is not going to protect you. And also, I think the teachers should also be armed as well if they want to be. And if they are armed, they should get a little raise as well. It makes sense. We're sending our kids to these public schools while we go to work, basically. It's like daycare, but you're getting educated and whatnot. We're sending our kids here unprotected. No locked doors. Even a door can only stop a mass killer for so long. No armed guards, no police, nothing. Back in 2012, I was in high school, a sophomore, when Sandy Hook happened. I witnessed all of that. We went on lockdown for just that day. They had cops coming around for about 2 weeks, and that's it. Everything was back to normal. The doors was unlocked again, and anyone can just walk in there now, and yeah, it's back to normal. It's gonna be the same thing with this. These politicians, why can they be protected by armed security, by armed guards, but our kids can't? And people, they're against that. I don't know why. You're not banning no ARs. You're not banning no guns in America. It's not going to happen. It's impossible. And you will start a civil war. People is not going to give up the guns over a fucking maniac doing shit like that. You know? And we got to come up with a better solution, which the people on the right has one, and that's to arm the schools. But a lot of people on the left saying that we just need to take the weapons away from law-abiding citizens. No, nobody. That's not going to happen. That is not going to happen. You're not taking my guns. You're not. None of them. Not even my mags. You're not taking those either. So this is to you lefties that wants to do that. It's not going to happen. But yeah, guys. You guys need to be paying attention to y'all's politicians, because they're coming for them. I mean, if we don't do anything about it, contacting our representatives and stuff, I mean, it helps. It works, but one of these days, it's not going to work anymore. And you got Republicans agreeing on red flag laws and shit, which does nothing. No gun control does anything. Look what happened in Buffalo. One of the strictest states when it comes to gun laws. He went there on purpose because he knew about the gun laws. He knew no one was going to be armed. If they were armed, they was going to be restricted to 10 rounds because of the laws. And he went there anyway and did his thing there. And also, the news. They keep making celebrities out of these fucking psychopaths. Most of these people are a bunch of 18-year-old kids with mental issues and whatnot. The news need to stop displaying the name and the picture everywhere. That makes copycats. And it's going to be another copycat after another, because the news keep doing what they're doing just to push an agenda. And now, I guess this guy, this shooter, I'm not going to mention his name, obviously, the one that shot up the elementary school, guess he's more left-leaning. So they know that, and they changing the agenda just for the guns. They just want to blame the guns. It's not the fucking guns' fault. And these people know it. These people are not stupid. I know they're not this stupid or ignorant. It's not the gun's fault. It's the person operating the gun. It's like a tool, like a car. When someone dies in a car crash, they don't blame the car. They blame the fucking driver behind it, guys. I think most of us with a brain knows this. So, I mean, I thought I was going to be doing a lot more cussing than this, but I just can't do it, guys. I can't cuss because it's just wasting energy cussing. And it's so much going on in this country. This is not the only thing that's going on here. Comedy is bad, inflation, hyperinflation, the gas, no one's getting raises. Look like we're going to be going into a recession, so stack or invest, and make sure your money's good to go, guys. I advise you guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but I advise you guys to get ready. Get food, get ammo, get more guns too. Screw these politicians. And also, keep an eye on these people, because they will try to slip in something, and Biden's ass will sign it. The most communist president that we ever had. He's a tyrant. I don't know why he's still in office. And we as a people, we're just letting it happen. Nothing's being done about it. We're letting this happen. The people that's on the right side that loves the guns. Yes, protesting, peaceful protesting and all that works to only a certain extent. Honestly, I think we're beyond protesting. If you know what I mean. I think it's going to take a few more poking, at the people to eventually cause people to revolt, and it's coming. It's coming, guys. But these kids, they did not deserve this. They did not. They'll never have a future because this piece of shit want to go on a rampage and kill these innocent kids between 10 and 8. It's fucked up. It's hard even looking at this because imagine if that was your kid, you dropping them off thinking that they're going to be protected and they're not. There's no security. So I also blame the school for not protecting these kids. It's common sense nowadays to put security in all these public, in every school in this country. Armed security. We got the budget. We got more than enough money to do it. More than enough. There's been studies. I was watching right side news broadcasting today, and he said it's only $4 billion for 4 years to arm up every school, put security in there. That's nothing. We keep sending our money to the damn Ukraine. That's not our fucking problem. That's not our fucking problem. We got our issues here in America, and taking guns is not going to do shit but make the issues worse. And you guys know this on the left. Y'all know this. Y'all just hate guns. Y'all hate America. Y'all want us to end up like Europe and communists and shit. It's not going to happen here. So the only solution is to arm up the teachers and add in security. Like I said, the teachers don't have to be armed, but I'm pretty sure there'll be a few of them that will get the training and all that good stuff to carry a gun. So, yeah, guys, there was something else I wanted to mention. I kind of forgot because I'm still kind of pissed off about this whole situation here. And give me a second, guys. I'm trying to see what I was going to bring up here. If it comes to my mind, I'll post it in the comments below. Yeah, guys, just give me y'all's input of all this crap that's going on, and like I said, those cops again, they're fucking cowards, and they all deserve to get fired and prosecuted. And also, it's part of the school's fault too. It's sad, guys. It's sad. It's a sad world that we live in, and you guys better stay safe. No one's going to protect you but you. No one is going to protect you. See, listen to me. No one is going to protect you but you. No cops, nothing. You are your first line of defense. You. After you get done beating the battle, then it's when you call police and whatnot. Emergency squads and stuff. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna keep on ranting about this too much longer. I mean, it is what it is, guys. Like I said, keep an eye out on y'all's politicians and whatnot, and everything that's going on, because they're going to try to attempt to do something here about coming for guns, and eventually these politicians are just going to say fuck it. Like mainly the Democrats, they're going to say fuck it. We're going to take all your guns, and that's when the official civil war is going to start, if that actually comes to play. But I know that's what they want. They want us to be disarmed and be more victims, and they want all the security there protecting them. They don't care about us. They don't care about us, guys. These politicians, some of them do, yes, but most of them, deep down, they don't fucking give two shits about us. They just care about a pension and money. Same for these cops. Yes, there's a lot of good cops, but look here, a bunch of cowards. There's 40 of them out there standing there, preventing the parents from going into school to rescue the kids. It's fucked up, guys. And I'm gonna end the video here because I don't want to make it too long. But like I said, if you guys got any comments below, make sure you comment, and also share the video and like it. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys stay safe, be aware of surroundings, carry a gun, get prepared, and start stacking. And as always, have a nice day. Take it easy, y'all.